final way to prove that two triangles are congruent. Okay, the final way to prove that two triangles are congruent is hypotenuse leg. Okay, we've talked about 4 ways already. Right? We've got side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, and now our final way. Our final way is going to be hypotenuse leg. Right? Now this only works if we have right triangles. Right? This only works if we have right triangles. That's a big key for this last one. The rest of them work for any types of triangle. Okay? But the last one, hypotenuse leg, only works for right triangles. So all we need to show is if we have 2 right triangles, I need to show that the 2 hypoteni are congruent. Now what is a hypotenuse?
I'm going to take a guess and say a line.
It is a line. So a hypotenuse is a specific side of a right triangle. Which specific side is it? It's the one opposite the 90-degree angle. Okay, so if the 90-degree angle is right here, the hypotenuse is the one opposite. Okay? Then we say that the other 2 sides are legs. Okay, so the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. So over here, this is a leg, and the hypotenuse. Now the plural of hypotenuse is hypoteni. Okay, so if you want to say the 2 hypoteni, okay, now it sounds weird, okay, but the correct plural of hypotenuse is hypoteni. So, to show that these 2 triangles are congruent, all I need to show are the 2 hypoteni congruent and then a pair of legs. So, in this case, we're saying the 2 hypoteni are BC and EF. So if I can show BC and EF are congruent, and then a pair of legs. So the pair of legs that they marked were AB and GE. If I have that much information in a right triangle, that's enough to say that the triangles are congruent. So then I can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF.
Wait, half it is BAC.
Well, we could say triangle BAC is congruent to triangle EDF, as long as you're matching up corresponding pieces. So yeah, there's more than one correct way to write the statement here. Okay. Questions so far? Okay, so let's go through a couple examples here. So on this first one, we are given that these 2 triangles are right triangles. Okay, so on this first one, we've got the statements, we just have to fill in the reasons. So I'm given that these are right triangles, and to use hypotenuse leg, we have to know that. We have to know that these are right triangles. Then I'm also given that ML and MN are congruent. Okay, I'm given that. Right? Well, then they claim MP has to be congruent to MP. Why is that? Reflexive property. And whenever we have something congruent to itself, that's the reflexive property. So I'll mark that on the diagram. So now if I look at my picture, which sides are the 2 hypoteni here?
LM and ML.
LM and NM, or ML and MN? Right, these 2, because those are opposite the 2 right angles. The sides that are opposite the right angles are the hypoteni, which are the longest sides. So these are the 2 hypoteni. And then MP is a leg in each of those triangles. Okay, so I'm going to label this as leg. So what we've shown, the 2 hypoteni are congruent and 1 pair of legs are congruent. That's enough to to say that these two right triangles are congruent by hypotenuse leg. Okay, so all we need to show, if we know they are right triangles, is one pair of legs and a pair of hypotenuse. Questions? Okay. Let's take a couple of minutes then and see what you guys can do with the second example here. Okay, we're given that these are right triangles, we're given a pair of congruent sides, and then we're given that x is the midpoint of wy. So see if you can get this one here.
I get this.
Well, it would, because we're told that they're right angles. So, I mean, it probably looks like no one can say right angles. Yeah, as long as they're right triangles, we can do it.
Whoa. Everything I do. Hey, I was like, shit.
Turn.
I don't know, I've seen somebody get fired.
Oh, that's right. You know.
I do know somebody put green something on the bathroom floor. Listen, I seen the last kid you fired. But I would definitely put a bigger fight than that kid. That kid got fucking great skill. He barely got a swing in. He barely got a swing in.
Alright, I'm hearing lots of talking, so I'm going to assume that means everybody's done. So, if we take a look at our three givens here, I'm given these are right triangles. Then I'm given a pair of congruent sides. I'm given that WB and YZ are congruent. And I'm also given that X is the midpoint of WY. So if X is the midpoint of WY, then I can say that the two halves of that segment are congruent. I can say WX and XY would have to be congruent because X is the midpoint. Then that's enough because if I look at my two triangles, yes.
I did that wrong. Explain to me why I did that wrong. Instead of doing that definition of midpoint, I did it wrong.
So instead of doing these, you had these two angles.
Yeah.
So then, what was your reason? For the final thing for the two triangles.
It was VXW and ZX.
But what was your reason? Like,
Yeah, almost 75.
Oh.
so you could have done what you did. You could have said these two angles are congruent, but then the reason would be angle, side. Right? Yeah. So you could say, but then that wouldn't be a hypotenuse leg. That would be angle, angle, side.
So I could get a whole complete opposite thing from what you're supposed to get.
There's for a lot of these, there's a couple of different curves.
I thought so. You know what you did.
Okay, so the way I did it using hypotenuse legs, since that's the one we're talking about.
That's
But
angle, angle.
the way you did it would be angle, angle, side, yeah. Right, so the way I did it though would be hypotenuse leg, since these are the two hypoteni, and then these would be a pair of legs. Okay. Questions? Cole Thomas. That's supposed to be a picture of Marissa. Marissa Mostello.